So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find your Exness QR code. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and type in Exness and log into your personal area. So once you've done that, you can see here register and sign in. Go to your sign in option. From that point you can just sign in using this. And once you're signed in, you can see some different features on the left, like your accounts, your performance, your history of orders, your Exness terminal, payments and wallet, insights, Exness benefits, copy training, support hub, and your profile. Now on there, once you expand on that, you can see your verification, security, and your trading terminal. So let's get to security. Through your security, you can see your login details. You can see complete, learn more. Through that, you can also check out your two-step verification, and you can see your verification method, but you can also change it through accessing it like this. So you can see an authentication app, push notifications, or can't access the device. So once you're set up your two-step verification, your QR code should appear on there as well. So once you've chosen, as I mentioned before, your authentication app or your push notifications, you can then start receiving your specific QR code, and you can find it through there. So this is either way the recommended two-step verification option. So once you click on that, it's going to be added like that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Exness or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.